Hi, my name is John Paul, and I'm the parts manager here at Countryside Chrysler. Today, we're going to be talking about how to know it's time to replace your car's battery. Your vehicle's battery is what keeps it going. If the battery is out, the whole vehicle is out. A new battery can last around 4 to 6 years. After that, it's only a matter of time before you need to replace it. If your battery is over 3 years old, you should have it checked regularly and prepare to replace it. But here may be some of the signs. Number 1, slow crank. If it takes your vehicle a longer time to start and get going, chances are the battery might be at fault. There are other things that could be involved, but having the battery checked is a good starting place. Number 2, dim lights and electrical issues. Since the battery is what generates the charge in your vehicle, when it doesn't generate enough power, other elements will compensate. This might happen sooner if you're routinely charging a lot of electric items in your vehicle. Number 3, check engine light is on. Your engine is connected to the battery. Sometimes the engine light will come on, but it could be more with the battery. Number 4, bad smell like rotten eggs, sulfur smell. If you smell this and you are not around anything that can be the source, have your engine checked immediately. It usually indicates that there is something very, very wrong. Number 5, corroded battery connections. In the engine area, there are a lot of connections between the engine and the battery. If these connectors are corroded, it could usually mean that there is something coming out of the battery. Corrosion will look like white ash and will mean that the battery voltage could be at a low state of charge. Number 6, mishap battery case. The battery is held in a case to protect it. In extreme heat and cold, the battery will sometimes begin to expand and crack. If your battery case is anything but rectangular, get it checked. Number 7, old. This is the simplest. If your battery is pushing 4 years, it should be time to replace it. Replacing the battery is an important step for vehicle's health. To make certain that everything else is running correctly, bring your vehicle to Countryside Chrysler if you have any concerns. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you soon.